In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove shared mailbox from Outlook. 5 minutes. If a shared mailbox you no longer need is cluttering your Outlook, I'll walk you through a clean and safe way to remove it using the Outlook desktop app. This won't delete the mailbox or anyone else's access, it simply detaches it from your Outlook so your folder list stays focused. First, open the Outlook app on your computer and let it fully load your mail. Make sure you're on the main Outlook window, not a browser tab, since we'll be using the desktop menu. If you have multiple profiles, open the one where the shared mailbox appears. Next, look to the top left corner and click File. This takes you to Outlook's Backstage view, where account-wide options live. It's the right place for managing what accounts and mailboxes are connected to your Outlook profile. Now choose Account Settings. In many versions you'll see an Account Settings button and then a small drop down. Select Account Settings from there as well. A new window will open listing all mail accounts and mailboxes tied to your profile. In that window, select the shared mailbox you want to remove. It typically appears under your main account and may be labelled with the mailbox name. If you're unsure which one is shared, look for a mailbox that isn't your primary email address and that you access on behalf of a team or department. Take a moment to confirm you've highlighted the correct entry, so you remove only what you intend. Click Remove. Outlook might display a warning about data that's cached locally. This is normal. Removing a shared mailbox here only detaches it from your Outlook profile. It does not delete the mailbox from the server or affect other people's access. If you ever need it again, you or your admin can re-add it. When prompted, click Yes to confirm. Outlook may ask you to restart or may refresh automatically. After it completes, return to the main Outlook window and check the folder pane on the left. The shared mailbox and its folders should be gone, leaving only the accounts you actively use. If the mailbox reappears later, it's usually because your account still has permissions that auto-map the mailbox back into Outlook. In that case, contact your IT admin to remove that access, then repeat these steps. Also, if you manage archives or offline files, give Outlook a minute to update its local cache after removal. That's it, your Outlook is now cleaner and easier to navigate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.